I just skipped out on lunch to buy more crypto. And I'm hungry right now, but I am buying more crypto, guys. That's how bullish I am. I'm skipping out on lunch. I'm fasting to buy more crypto. But in all seriousness, guys, this really is that time to lock in, to sacrifice and maybe work overtime, sell crap from your house online that you don't use anymore, or you're just, laying around, and to invest. This really is that moment right now, because we might not see these prices ever again until next bear market. And never would I've ever imagined in a million years, right back in 2022, 2023, even last year, never would I've ever imagined, someone telling me, look, we're going to be in the 90 range Bitcoin, right? 90, 95, 96, 97, 98K Bitcoin range. And the sentiment is still going to be super bearish. Like, people are going to be so bearish, and retail is going to be bearish on crypto. Never would I've ever imagined that, right? Bitcoin in the 90s, 98K, 95K Bitcoin, and the crypto market sentiment super bearish. Well, of course, because altcoins are doing horrible versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been outperforming it, and when you look at Bitcoin dominance, it tells you a story. It shows you that Bitcoin's been dominating. So you have to understand that Bitcoin is the first mover, guys. It's all based on ratios. Just because Bitcoin's in the 90K range, right? You can go back in 2019, 2020, before the explosive 2021 bull market. I'm pretty sure Bitcoin was, in the 10K, 15K, right? 20K, whatever that price was back then. Altcoins are way down. That's because Bitcoin dominance was way up and Bitcoin was dominating. I'm pretty sure all the people in altcoins back then, the sentiment was down too, just like it is right now. Right? So I'm super bullish, and I want you guys to understand the biggest clue for us to get closer to this explosive altcoin season, right, is not just Ethereum starting to move up and outperform Bitcoin and really breaking its all-time high, but it's quantitative easing. And this is the big one. And I've been talking about this for like weeks now, and we recently just got news that we might potentially get a Doge check of $5,000 for taxpayers, right? From the savings that Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency with Elon and Trump, with the savings that they've been getting from the corrupt government that we've had for the past 4 years, right? And all this corruption that they're finding, with the savings, they're looking to give people $5K per paycheck. They're working on that right now. And why do you think that's good or bad? Like, honestly, if they were to print money, obviously that's bad. I wouldn't want that. I was against the stimulus checks back in 2020. I was against that because they're going to print money to give to people, right? Businesses getting crazy loans, and that's obviously going to inflate the price. And we can see since 2020, has the market been inflated? Yes, foods are still inflated. So many goods been inflated through inflation from money printing. So if it was printing, I would be against that. But if it's based off the savings, if it's based off, all this money from the corrupted government that we had from the past 4 years, then I think that's great, because that's going to allow people to get that money, and most likely most of the people are going to invest it in the market. It gives me deja vu from back in 2020 before the bull market, because during that time we had stimulus checks, and we can say stimulus checks was a big part of 2021 bull market, because it let people put that back into the market, and it really inflated the prices of everything, including Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Quantitative easing is not at the maximum yet. Okay? It's not at the maximum yet, but it will be, especially also with Trump forcing the Fed to cut rates. We know that Trump he wants them to cut rates. He's been saying this publicly and everything. He wants them to cut rates. So that is going to increase quantitative easing, and especially now the latest news with the Doge paychecks from Elon, that is even more bullish. That is especially, imagine everyone getting a 5K, right? All the taxpayers getting 5K. Where do you think they're going to put it, right? The smart people are going to invest it. That's going to explode the market. So, you know, these are the clues, these are the hints. Quantitative easing. When we have money supply flowing back in, that's going to make people get out of these, you know, risk off assets, right? Bonds or whatever, CDs, all these things, saving accounts. They're going to get out of these assets and they're going to put their money into risk on assets, whether it's in the stock market, whether it's in ETFs, crypto ETFs, in cryptos themselves, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. I'm telling you right now, there's a lot of people. You might think the sentiment is down, but there's a lot of people, new people coming into crypto. And I know this because I'm an influencer. I go live, I make videos. I know this. I hear people all the time talking about, you know, getting into crypto, but they will fully, it's like they're procrastinating. Most of the people are procrastinating, right? They've been looking to get into crypto, you know, this and that. They're going to, when the media starts to amp it up, once crypto really starts to take off and altcoins start to take off, the media is going to force crypto down these people's throats, and they're going to make them really get into crypto, right? When they should be getting it right now. They have to stop procrastinating and get into crypto right now at these great prices. That's just the truth. And so, you know, also regarding my course, I'm going to have a bunch of indicators out that I've been working for the past years coming out with this course, because with this course, you're going to be able to use all my indicators for free for a month. Okay, I have over like 10 indicators, 8 or 10. I believe like 8, probably, yeah. But you're going to get to use them all for free for a month to test them out, to see which ones you like with this course. And 2 of these indicators that are coming out are based off of sentiment. I just want to give you a sneak peek of what they are, but the first one is the Google Trends indicator for Bitcoin searches. So instead of going on Google Trends and looking at Bitcoin searches, right, you will have it right there on TradingView. I made this indicator so it uses the same data from Google Trends, from the biggest search engine in the world, which is Google, off the searches of Bitcoin, like real people searching Bitcoin, the volume. It's going to be right there as like a graph, like up, down for Bitcoin search volume. The second one is going to be based off crypto sentiment. And this could be different from every coin, but it's going to be based off crypto sentiment. And it's a great one because you can see when the sentiment is down and when it's up. When we see a huge spike in sentiment, that's usually the top. And in the indicator, you'll see this when it gets launched in 2021, you know, the previous tops, sentiment was way up. Now it's up a little bit, but it's been flat. So that's how I know it's not the top yet, right? But it's coming out with the course very soon. I'm already done with the course. I just been basically recording it, right? So I did the slides, I did everything, is the outline, all that's done. I just been recording it. Once I'm done recording it, I gotta edit it. Then when I'm done editing, I should be ready to go. So I'll let you guys know when the course comes out, and it will be most likely, my goal is to make it crypto only. But if you can't buy with crypto, then I'll try to find another way, maybe PayPal or Cash App. But it's going to be crypto only. That's the goal, unless you really, really can't, right? So I'll keep you guys updated on that. But guys, buy crypto, not financial advice. This is a great time to buy. Ignore the public. Everyone's fearful, but I'm bullish. So definitely like, comment below what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.